So in the Kansas City market, we use coated aluminum mainly for underdecking. This goes back to the old adage, you're gonna get what you pay for. So in the Midwest, you know, you have all 4 seasons. The vinyl, it'll do great in the spring and the summer, but it's a vinyl, it's plastic, so you run the chance of dry rot in the colder months with snow and ice. Vinyl also is not going to be able to hold the amount of weight as far as like rain or snow melt that a piece of metal would. Coated aluminum, it's coated all the way around, it's resistant to rust. We have a subcontractor that professionally installs it to the right slope on our deck joists, and then also does the guttering on the exterior side of your deck to make sure that the water flows properly away from the joist and the deck as a whole, so you don't get any water retention, which obviously shortens the lifespan of your deck, especially with a wood frame. The coated aluminum, you know, it's kind of like the steel frame. It's a more durable product, so you're gonna pay a little bit more for it out the gate, but you're probably gonna have to do less maintenance on it. You're not gonna have to replace it as often as if, you know, you have one panel of vinyl underdecking that dry rots and it's in the middle of the deck. Now we got to take half of it down to get one piece back up. So I mean, you're paying for the durability with the coated aluminum. You're paying for just the overall lifespan of the product, I guess you could say.